Okay, so continue. Halacha number 7. 1 second. Okay, yes, we finished. So number 7. If two, so one more time, some people don't like to learn all of these laws of mourning because they say it's a bad sign and stuff like that. But our rabbi says since it's in our session, right? It's on our way. It's not like we're not obligated to skip. So if it's we did not open the book and start reading from Siman 26. We did not. We start from the Siman 1 and we got to Siman 26, and that's what we do. We don't skip things. Okay, so it's not a bad sign. This. Sif number 7. If two equally entitled mourners are in a synagogue, they should cast lots between them. Okay, cast lots. Whichever one will prevail in his lot that has cast over reciting Kaddish at Ma'ariv, the other shall recite, the other shall receive correspondingly. One Kaddish, recitation and shacharis, without being required to cast lots. So just so we understand what it says here. Okay, in shacharis we said we have for Kaddish, and some people had more, but whatever. But during the Ma'ariv we have only one. That's it. During the Mincha we have only one. Right? So that's why the only way to see who is going to say Kaddish during the Ma'ariv. The Yortzeit, as we said before, starts on Ma'ariv at night. The night when after the nightfall, right? The Ma'ariv, and there's only one opportunity, so we have to cast lots. There is no other way. Okay, so whoever wins say Kaddish, and then the next person say that one Kaddish on Shabbos. I mean, we cannot ignore this person. There is no more lots. Right, it's only for Ma'ariv there are lots. Okay, so correspondingly, one Kaddish is recitation for Shacharis, meaning the second guy, without being required to cast lot. That's it. We give them over the third Kaddish, though. They should cast lots. So one get one for Ma'ariv, right? One get one for Shacharis. Now the question: who is going to say the third one? I mean, let's say, as we say, there are only 2 people that compete. Over the third Kaddish, though, they should cast lots. Similarly, if there are many equally entitled mourners, so the way I understand here what they're trying to say, so they today we say in Mussar Ashkenaz at least, we say the Kaddish after the Psalm of the day. So we finish Psalm of the day, every day is different. So we say Kaddish. Here, I think they mean only after Aleinu Shabbat, so it's third Kaddish, and that's it. So meaning one got one, and now it's a third Kaddish, I think. Similarly, if there are many equally entitled mourners, they should cast lots. And the mourner who prevails in the first lottery should not be admitted into the further lottery until they have all recited Kaddish. So basically, as we understand, so Kitzur is saying that only one person per Kaddish. I mean, today, as we said before, I mean that all of the mourners say Kaddish at the same time. Okay, but as they explained, that the proper way is only one Kaddish per person. So now, of course, there is not enough Kaddish. There are more people, so they cast lots. That's it. That is the only way. Okay, so and Kitzur said, whoever participated in the last, if he won the previous Kaddish, so I mean he's staying off this casting of the lots. Okay, so commentary. The lots are cast to determine precedence. That is, who will be first to recite Kaddish. Once someone has recited Kaddish, he may no longer to be included in the lots until all mourners who have rights equal to his own have had the opportunity to recite Kaddish. If everyone who is required to recite Kaddish has done so, there is still remaining Kaddish to be said. They cast lots again for everyone included. So now, so basically, as we said, let's say if there are four Kaddishim all together, so one said one said one. So now they have to cast two lots twice. Who is going to say number 3 and who is going to say number 4? That's the thing.